So hi everyone, how are you? I am Rajan Chaudhary from Manzil Immigration. Today I will talk about the education system in USA. Many students who are going to pursue their higher studies in the US must be surprised to know that the US has no educational system. The federal government can influence education only by the funding it offers, but this is limited. Unlike CBSE board examinations in India, there is no national high school graduation examination. There are, however, state graduation examinations and students must pass these. At the higher education level, students have a wide range of options when they choose a college or university. Although there are agencies that attempt to rank American colleges and universities. The concept of fit is also important. The GPA of admit student is very important, but measures offered location, the number of students enrolled, and campus culture are all factors influencing a prospective student's decision. Some colleges and universities are publicly funded, while others are privately supported. GPA. GPA means Grade Point Average. It's the average of all grades received. Popular student destinations. The top universities in the US are Princeton University, Harvard University, Yale University, Columbia University, and Stanford University. The area of New England on the east coast of the US is the center of all its renowned academic institutions. Most of the best colleges in the country are situated in cities like Boston, New York, Cambridge, Alt Saybrook, New Haven. If I talk about business management, computer science, finance and accounting, economics, communication, media, physical and life sciences are one of the most popular courses for Indian students who pursue in US. Thank you so much. For more details, you can share your profile on our WhatsApp number 99146 or you can visit us in our branches on the name of Manzil Immigration. Thank you so much.